Shell Moerdijk's petrochemicals complex is investing in a future with fewer emissions. It plans to replace its oldest ethylene steam cracker furnaces, which will reduce the site's energy use and annual greenhouse gas emissions by about 10%. The base chemicals from Shell Moerdijk are used in a variety of everyday finished products, like soaps, insulation, lightweight plastics, and car tyres. Bringing down the site's carbon emissions is in line with Shell's global ambition to become a net zero emissions energy business by 2050 or sooner, in step with society. Shell Moerdijk will install 8 new furnaces in place of its 16 older units, without reducing capacity at the facility. The plant will be able to continue to run during this upgrade, which will not only lower its carbon footprint, it will also bring down the emissions of sulfur, nitrogen, and particulate matter. Shell Moerdijk is investing in a sustainable future.